Hi friends.
Hi friends, we're here today with Ilyas doing a toy box all together. So let's see what's in our toy box. Oh, what's this? What's this, Ilyas?
A raptor.
Oh, and you want to take that one? What is that? What is this one?
T-Rex.
So this is?
Raptor T-Rex.
Yes, the raptor and the T-Rex. What do you have there? What is this?
Stegosaurus.
Wow, it's big.
How about the biggest pterodactyl?
Is the Stegosaurus bigger or the raptor bigger?
Stegosaurus.
Good job.
Now get the big pterodactyl one.
Wow, what is this? A whale.
Look, the biggest pterodactyl.
That is a big pterodactyl.
This is stronger. That one's bigger than that one.
Yes, the pterodactyl is bigger.
I can kiss him.
What about this? What's this?
A ball.
A bowling
I
ball.
wants to bite. The wants to bite. The wants to bite. The wants to bite.
What is this?
No, first wait. I will bite first. Okay?
What is this, Ilyas?
A fish.
What fish is it? What's her name?
I don't know.
It's Dory.
Dory.
And look!
It's Nemo.
Yes,
Nemo.
Dory and Nemo.
He will eat you.
What's this one, Ilyas?
I don't know. It was a Triceratops.
Yes, it's Triceratops.
Oh no! Oh
What's
no!
this?
A train.
A train engine.
A train engine. A train engine.
Ambulance. A block. Pigs. Oink, oink, oink. Pigs.
It's little. I did it a little.
What's this?
Elephant. Look.
Wow. What's this? What is it?
A cow.
Yes, it's a small cow.
Look, look. Look, a little sheep. A little sheep. A little sheep, look.
Wow, this is a little sheep. It's super small.
Can I? She's so cute.
What is this?
It's a cow. A stegosaurus, the big sister.
Small cow, big cow.
Small cow and big cow.
What is this?
Oh, wow.
It's a lamb.
Bigger. In a big stegosaurus what I found. Wow.
A zebra.
Look. Wow, this is so big.
What is this?
A stegosaurus. I want it.
Stegosaurus.
That one is so strong.
What is this, Ilyas?
It's crab.
What is this?
Monster truck.
What is it called?
Monster truck.
What is this? What is this?
Where's the pterodactyl?
This is a
going?
fly.
The fly. This is the scary one.
Yucky. What is this?
A scary spider.
Yes. Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah. I got it. Go, 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 go.
What
go.
is this?
No, I had to hit the
It's
spider.
a hammer. What is this?
Spider-Man candy.
What is this?
Farmer.
And what's this?
A raptor. Big.
Small raptor, big raptor.
I'm gonna-
Small,
And
big.
the big and the small is this.
What is this?
Pterodactyl. Where's another pterodactyl?
What about this one?
Raptor.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Looks to me that it's a T-Rex.
It's a T-Rex?
Yes, because it has teeny tiny hands.
Then it's gonna be a little dinosaur when I found. 'Cause I'm too
What is
good.
this?
I don't know.
Come on,
It's a
you know.
Stegosaurus.
Yes, it's a small Stegosaurus and a big Stegosaurus.
I want the big and the little.
What is this?
A Triceratops spider.
Small Triceratops, big Triceratops.
Can you please stand in? I want to stand in. Here.
And finally, what is this?
I don't know. It was the Stegosaurus.
It's a Diplodocus dinosaur.
It's Diplodocus dinosaur.
Maybe, I think. So we looked at a lot of toys today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
I want one more.
Let's say bye, friends.
I want one more. I need one more.